Yes, please.
Item number 1.
Please.
My lord, this is the Hawker's matter, and this application, my lord, the special officer.
Today, if there is very urgent something, we will
no,
take
this
up.
that's not.
This is
but,
there's nothing urgent to this matter, Your
We will take
Lordship.
it up.
In fact, this matter has become infructuous.
no.
This application
Because
has
the
been
hawkers have already been relocated to their permanent place,
No,
and that clarification sought by the petitioner has already been addressed by Your Lordship in the last order.
this application was
Let-
pertaining to
my
the
lord-
timing, my lord.
Well, let the report of the special officer come, my lord. So far, we have cooperated. On 5th August, the matter is coming, the main matter. By then, the special officer is here.
We keep on
Yes.
receiving communications of which they are not applications before the court, maybe letters, etc. Of some we think of taking judicial notice, of some we ignore. It is said that there are also other areas.
Yes, Your
Where-
Lordship, that also will have to be taken
Yes,
care. But
yes,
this,
my lord.
the main PIL is coming up on the 5th, Your Lordship.
5th, yes, my lord.
This is only a miscellaneous application, whereby they had sought for some clarification regarding the restricted timings.
That we have extended.
Yes, that has already been done.
that
Your
is
Lordship.
extended.
Which is why I'm saying that this application is infructuous now.
And and by 22nd,
Yes, they have been relocated to those areas, the Muda first floor and the Muda 3 areas in Police Bazaar area.
My lord, the other areas also, my lord, they are subject matter in the PIL, my lord, PIL number 9.
that will take up on
We'll
the
take
5th.
up on the 5th, Your Lordship.
Eh, eh,
Today, only the missed cases.
Yes. So in the meantime, my lord,
listed.
because other prayers also there, we are all cooperating. Let the special officer appointed by lords, let file the report first, my lord.
That
Then-
was with regard to the
That is regarding the main PIL, Your Lordship, not in this
that is
case.
main
There was no
PIL.
such order
Main
for
PIL.
the special
No,
officer.
they want the special officer to file a report
Yes,
that
yes.
they have been
Relocated.
relocated.
Yes.
Yes.
And based on the SO's order, my lord may pass appropriate orders, my lord. That is.
But
my
this
lord,
case
that
can
will
be
corrected.
disposed of, Your Lordship, because the matter has already been taken care of by Your Lordships.
In fact, their main prayer in the missed case, my lord, it was regarding the timing. So, my lord,
That
has
timing, Your
already been
Lordship
taken
has
care of.
extended it.
Already relocation has been done, my lord. So there is nothing left in their applications.
Whom are you appearing for?
My lord, I am for the petitioner.
And Mr.
My lord, I am for the Hawker Union.
One
my
of the
lord,
respondents, Your
association, my
Lordship.
lord. And because the association, now what we are dealing here right now is only of Police Bazaar area. There are other areas in Shillong that has to be addressed also, my lord.
Yes, Your
Oh, but
Lordship.
that is not part of this application.
No, this is not
No,
part of
this-
it.
In the main application, my lord.
Yes, Mrs. Yangi, learned additional advocate general, submits before this court that the government has kept its promise of relocating the licensed vendors in Police Bazaar to the newly designated vending areas, by the stipulated date, by 22nd July,
22nd July.
which
Your
was the stipulated date. According to you, anybody has not been relocated.
My lord, according to us, my lord, many of them, in the manner in which the COVs were distributed, there's lots of lacunas.
No,
my
no,
lord.
that is
That will
different.
correct.
Whoever got the licenses may have been relocated. We are admitting that. But some of them, the COV who got, they have returned, they have taken it back for a reason best known to them.
What
Now,
is COP?
the license,
Certificate of vending.
Certificate of vending.
Certificate of
They have
vending.
revoked it.
They have some of them revoked without any notice, my
The
lord.
revocation was done because two or three of from the same family were.
Mr. Yobin, learned advocate appearing for the Vendors Association, does not contradict
Yes.
this submission. Full stop. Nevertheless, comma, he submits that the licenses of some of the vendors have been wrongfully revoked.
But this is not on record, Your Lordship. This is
Not
not
on record, but
a issue
those
before Your
licenses-
Lordship today in this case.
Wrongfully revoked. And hence they could not be relocated.
Yes. Yes.
Full stop. The subject matter of this application was for modification of our earlier order, granting limited time to licensed vendors to vend from Police Bazaar. Full stop. It was said that this restricted timing was affecting their business. Full stop. In those circumstances, we enlarged the time permitted for them to vend in the said area. Full stop. At the same time, the government and public authorities assured the court that the licensed vendors would be relocated by 22nd July. Full stop. Paragraph. Since that purpose has been achieved as noted above, nothing remains in this application. Full stop. Some additional issues like the one raised by Mr. Eobin noted above, and the question of relocation of licensed vendors from other crowded public places to vending areas shall be considered when we take up the main public interest litigation for further consideration on 5th August.
Yes, Your Lordship. That
On
has been
5th
listed
August.
on the 5th.
My lord, kindly note one more thing, my lord. The final list of the vending is not yet come out till now,
That
my
is
lord.
subject matter
Final
of the
list.
other PI, my lord.
All other ancillary issues
My lord.
Will
my
come
lord,
up.
will also be considered.
My lord.
This application MC
My lord.
so and so is disposed of.
My lord.
Obliged.
Obliged. Obliged.
Item number 2.
Yes,
There is a writ appeal with an application for condonation of delay. There's nothing urgent with that.
Have you served?
Yes, they have appeared. They have
How many days delay?
287.
187.
Appearing for the first time. Appearing for the first time.
No, but last time the notice was issued and they have filed their affidavit. So this is for the second. This is the second time.
What do you say?
Lordship, I have filed my affidavit, Lordship, and Lordship, first of all, my objection is that they have received the certified copy of the order on 13/8/2024, that is after a delay of the 13 days from the judgment and order dated. There is no explanation given in the condemnation of delay application why the copy for the judgment and order, impugned judgment and order dated was applied so late. And besides, Lordship, they have stated that the senior advocate was not available in a position that is in a position to guide the advocates of the applicant. However, Lordship, the senior advocate and advocates of the appellant, they have appeared in other cases also, but particularly in this case they could not appear, Lordship. Particularly in this case, Lordship, I have stated.
You are appearing for the state.
No, Your Lordship, I am appearing for the respondent number 2.
Private respondent.
Private respondent. State is only formal respondent, Lordship.
What is the matter about?
Lordship, it is all about deposit of rent, Lordship.
Huh?
Deposit rent, Lordship. Deposit of rent. They have not paid the rent, so when they have failed to pay the rent, they have deposited the rent in the rent court. And however, it is their claim that because of the COVID, they could not deposit the rent at the right time. As a result, the rent become arrear, and the delay. There is also a delay of 30 days. In
This is from an eviction suit.
Lordship, basically, Lordship, this is a.
My lord, what has happened during the time of COVID, my lord?
No. What is the subject matter of the suit?
My lord, deposit of rent.
Deposit.
It's a suit or writ?
It was my lord, we came on a rate for extension of the time which is fixed by the Rent Control Act. Rent Control Act fixes a time of 30 days, but because of the circumstances on account of COVID, my lord, so the Honorable Supreme Court had given extension for a year, my lord. Now we came that with a writ for consideration of extension, my lord. Grant of extension for deposit of rent. That is the thing.
And that was rejected.
That was rejected. So against that we have come on appeal for your lordship.
No, you preferred a writ. From writ appeal.
From writ. This has come on an appeal.
You are still in possession.
Yes, yes.
And the lessor is the government.
No.
I'm the landlord, Lordship.
Because my lord, we want a modification of the law made by the government. That's why the government is made a party. Urban Areas Rent Control Act, that is a provision of law, my lord. Like, my lord, we have taken cue from the.
How long you are there in the premises?
We are there from 2007, I think.
How much rent you are paying?
We are paying, I think now it is around 37,000
Per month.
per month.
And by virtue of this order, you are liable to be evicted.
Milord, if, because there was an arrears because of the certain, about a year's rent, Milord, because of the special circumstances. So that rent of that period, we are praying that we should be allowed to deposit it at one go. Whatever arrears are required. Because of the special circumstances, the rent could not be made.
No, on the basis of default, have they filed a suit for eviction?
Suit is going on, Milord.
Suit is.
But this default they have not brought. This suit is prior to this this writ petition.
Lordship, I may point out, Lordship. Lordship, the writ petition was filed in the year 2023, and COVID, that is the COVID period was ended almost in the year 2022. So why there is a delay also, Lordship, in filing the writ petition, that was never brought up on record, Lordship. Even they have delayed in filing the writ petition, Lordship. They have filed the writ petition only
Since
on.
my friend has come up with an objection, it may be taken up for a hearing.
Lordship, I have already filed. First of all, Lordship, the delay has to be continued, Lordship, because Lordship, I have filed my objection. I have already filed my objection. That is in my affidavit, Lordship, and I place on one citation, Lordship, of the honorable.
No. Before that, the rent is deposited with the rent controller.
That is, Malad. Subsequent to that period, subsequently rent is being deposited.
And that period not deposited.
That period. That is a particular. So I would submit that the matter may come up for hearing some other day, since my friend has come up with judgments and all that.
You have not withdrawn any amount.
Lordship.
You have not withdrawn any amount.
No, Your Lordship.
They have not withdrawn. So right from the beginning, when rent.
So what is the ground for the eviction suit?
In the eviction suit which they have filed below, that was mainly for bona fide requirement. Because it is a business premises. There is a hotel there. So the house owner also wants to start the business, I think.
So you have to prove bona fide requirement.
Lordship, another eviction suit is going on, Lordship. It is still pending.
So it is not a question of default in payment of rent.
Lordship.
It is a bona fide requirement.
Lordship.
So you thrash that out in the suit.
Lordship, that is going on. Eviction suit is still going on, Lordship. Still pending.
Then what you will do opposing this writ?
Lordship, here, Lordship, they have filed this appeal with a delay of 200.
That is an additional ground of not depositing rent.
Lordship.
Additional ground. Your main ground is reasonable requirement.
Lordship.
You take more and fight out the suit. Take 50,000 a month and let the suit be disposed of. Why keep it deposited with the rent controller? You withdraw that amount.
Actually, Lordship, my point is that in fact this case is still is not maintainable, Lordship, because other alternative remedy is available. So they could have approached to that remedy.
What you will do is you will oppose this appeal. Delay will not be condoned. Therefore, they will not be able to deposit rent for the past period. So that will give you one of the grounds for eviction. That is non-payment of rent in time. Right? In addition to reasonable requirement. But your main ground is reasonable requirement which you have to prove. This has arisen post filing of the suit. So you think about it. We are not disposing of the matter today. That you take 2007, from 7 they are paying 37,000.
Oh, no, but initially it was less amount, then it has increased as.
When it became 37,000?
37,000 it became this year, no? This year it became 37.
And before that?
Before that, at the time of this, it was 28,000.
You take something more without prejudice and fight out the suit on reasonable requirement. And you think about it. All right. This appeal and miscellaneous application, we'll take it up tomorrow or when?
As
Are partly heard and adjourned for the day.
Obliged.
Item number 3.
May I please your lordships?
Yes.
Lordships, I may be allowed to take time for 2 weeks, lordship, in this matter.
You are for?
For the petitioner, lordship. The conducting counsel who had been here has been elevated, lordship, so I need a little time now, lordship.
The conducting counsel has been?
He has been elevated as a judge, lordship, in the Guwahati High Court. Mr. Rajesh Majumdar.
All right, on the prayer of advocate on record for the petitioner, this writ application is adjourned till 11th August. Two matters are there.
Yes, Lord.
Watch it. These two petitions. Yes.
Much.
Item number 4.
Highly obliged.
May it please His Lordship. Lordship, I pray for some accommodation in this matter, Your Lordship.
Who's on the other side?
I'm appearing for the appellant.
You consent?
Since my friend is not, he was there, but he has got some personal difficulty. My lord, the date may be fixed, my lord. Can it be on 7th of August, my lord?
All right. Why consent? 7th.
Obliged, your lordship. Deeply obliged.
Connected matters from item number 6 to 20.
Yes, my lord. My lord, I'm from the appellant. I am led by the Advocate General. The Advocate General is not here today, my lord. I'm also required to file supplementary paper books, to which I am seeking time, my lord. 2 weeks' time to file a supplementary paper book.
Where is the Learned Advocate General?
It's in Delhi, my lord. For a state matter. For a matter, my lord, state matter.
When will he be back?
I don't have instructions on that, my lord.
We will give him leave to do it online, or otherwise his junior you will do it.
Yes, and my lord, I also have to prepare the supplementary paper book, which is almost ready. My lord, if you give me a little time, my lord, I'll file it I need at least about 2 weeks, my lord.
My lord, this is a matter relating to pay, salary, my lord. The benefits of the Fifth Pay Commission, my lord, have been extended to these work charge employees. By a notification, my lord, the benefits were withdrawn. The benefits were extended by a rule, statutory rule enacted under in exercise of powers under 309 of the Constitution of India. Now that was sought to be amended by way of a notification. Against that, we file a writ petition before the Honorable High Court. A single judge, and the single judge decided the matter in our favor. Now the state has come on appeal. Now, my lord, we have been denied this benefit of the Fifth Pay Commission on account of that notification since 2023. 2024. 17. Yes, of course, we are entitled with effect to 2017.
I'm aware of the urgency here, my lord, but we're preparing with these paper books, supplementary paper books, so that we can go through the appointment letters, because the appointment letters, there's certain notification that come out with a cutoff date of 1997. We'll put that in.
Time was given to you earlier to file the supplementary.
Yes, my lord, but we have about 14 writ appeals, my lord, in which we have to place before the court the appointment letters.
Advocate General stated supplementary paper book containing the papers which have been left out.
Yes, my lord.
That's all.
Yes, my lord. So they are about, these are appointment letters of the various writ appeals. There are about 14 writ appeals here, my lord. I need to place them on record to show you, because the cutoff year was 1997. We need to bring them in records, my
Whatever
lord.
you want to do, madam, you do. But you do it by 10 days, 7th August.
Yes, my lord.
We will take it up 11th
Yes,
August.
my lord. I'll file it before time, my lord.
Time to file the supplementary paper book. In terms of our order dated 15 July 2025, is peremptorily extended till 7th August. List this batch of appeals fairly at the top on 11th August.
Yes, 11th.
Finish it up. This way, that way, finish it up.
We'll do it, my lord. We'll complete it before time.
And you tell Learned Advocate General that if he's in Delhi, to do it online from there.
Yes, my lord. I'll take special permission from you, lord, for that.
Anyway, let 11th August come. If he's in Delhi, we will give him leave.
We bow down, my
no use giving leave now.
Obligation.